Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to teach you how to change a toilet seat. All right, there's nothing like a brand new toilet seat in my opinion. The very first thing you have to figure out is what kind of toilet seat you need. Now, there's typically a regular size bowl or an elongated bowl, and you can see by the shape of this one where it's more oval in shape, this is an elongated bowl toilet seat. Now there's going to be a couple screws in here. I've already loosened it up, and so you're going to remove these screws to take the old seat out of the way. Now when you expose this, I mean, this is for demo purposes here, but take any kind of cleaner that you have and give it a spray just so you can get that as clean as possible with a rag or a wipe, whatever it might be, before you put the new toilet seat on. Now this is a brand new elongated bowl toilet seat, and just to make sure you got the right one, place it on there with no screws or anything there, and you can see that it's going to fit once we go ahead and do that. For the most part, these holes, when you get the right seat, will line up for you. Now on this particular model, it has these clips that you're going to open up, and now we're going to install the hardware, and I'll show you how to do that. Not all toilet seats have the same setup, but this is very common. All right, so this is everything that comes with the toilet seat for you to put it on there. You're going to slide into this track over here on both sides, and you're just going to feel them clip in there. And this allows you to adjust the toilet seat. These synthetic screws, hopefully you can see with the camera, you want to line up the arrow front and back and go into these clips. So I'm just going to place that into those clips with the arrows front and back on both of those, and then you can go ahead and clip these down. It's okay to do that right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and place this into the holes, and again, you know, this is when you tighten these down, because this particular toilet seat is a soft closed toilet seat, that will get pulled down. Now these nuts that they give you, you'll see there's a little bit of a very deliberate shape here. The idea behind this is to help you get the right tightness. You're going to put either a box wrench or a socket set, it's 5/8 of an inch, on the end of this, and you're going to tighten until this breaks off. This is actually going to break off, which means that the nut is the proper tightness, or the nut has the proper tension so the toilet seat doesn't move. So the very first thing you're going to do is put this in there by hand. Okay, once you have those finger tightened, you want to come and adjust the seat so that it lines up with the bowl itself. So you're going to adjust back and forth. And now you're ready to take the wrench and tighten the nut. Now I'm going to use this box ends wrench, and I'm going to place it on the end of that nut, and I'm going to start to tighten this. And again, right at the end of it, you're going to do this until the end of that nut breaks off. And now I'm going to do the same to the other side. Once it's tightened down, then you can go ahead and test it and make sure to close. Again, this particular toilet has a soft close to it, which means no slamming. It's one of my favorites. Coming up next, my video on how to change the handle on your toilet.